Aloha Dolly Corns. I know it's been like 6+ years, but baby, we are back, okay? Like I never left. So for this video, I'm just showing you guys how I did my hair. You see this cute little style here, very cute, very pink. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue to call y'all Dolly Corns or Pink Dolly Corns or Pink Dolls or LPD, whatever, but so it's just been a lot of new stuff. So y'all, I just want to focus on this video to show y'all how I did my hair, of course, but I want to give you a little bit of insights, and I want y'all to write in the comments or the suggestion box and let me know what y'all want to see or want to hear about, because I've been gone for how long? Like 6, 7, something like that, something years. So on this platform, but I have been on my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Facebook page, which I will start linking that to this video so y'all can be seeing that. So tell me what y'all think about this hair. I hope you love this tutorial. I hope it was thorough and helpful for you.
So here we go with my retwist. Yes, I have locks. I've been locked for a year and 5 months, going on 6 months now. So I'm just going to retwist my hair and show you guys just one little lock that I did. And don't mind the back, I had got some locks cut off previously. If you was following me on all my social media platforms, you would know that. So this is how I retwisted, and that's the product that I had used. And then I'm going to section my hair into 4 quadrants so that you can see the partings on the braids that I put over my locks. So I did that to all the others. You're going to split one of the sections in 2 sections, and then you're going to grab some hair, put some gel on there, some braiding gel. Y'all know the pink bottle. And then you're going to just braid that up until the end, almost to the end of the locks. And then you're going to add some more hair for thickness and fullness so that you can get the right consistency going all the way down. So once I do that, then I'm going to be taking some curly hair to put in to give it that boho butterfly goddess lock braid look. And oops, it fell out, so I had to go back and do it again. And then you're going to do it again near the bottom and braid it in like that. You could do this as many times as you want to achieve the fullness of the curls that you want. Me, I just put just enough so it won't be too much. Then at the ends, you're going to just foam it up with some Milani, I think that's the name. And then you're going to take your pink rods on your pink hair and roll it up. And boom, then you're going to take the... Right here, I'm just spreading the butterfly braids and make them like a boho pretty look. And that's all you got to do the LPD way. So let me know if y'all want to see more. This is leading to the final look and the final process. So let me know if you want more videos like this. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video and staying connected with little old me. And don't mind the back, because baby, I got the back cut. Okay? Yeah.